Welcome to the channel. You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding your factory's true operations. You know the old saying, the truth is out there? Well, in a factory, the truth is on the floor, right where the work gets done. It's not hidden in reports or behind office doors, that's the Gemba. It's Japanese for the real place, and trust me, it's where the real action is. It's the heartbeat of the factory, the core of operations. A Gemba walk is simple. You put on your safety glasses, grab a notebook, and go see how things really work. You immerse yourself in the environment. Not how you think they work or how the reports say they work, but how they actually work. It's about seeing the reality, unfiltered and unvarnished. This isn't about playing boss for a day. It's about listening to the folks who know the most, the people doing the work. They are the true experts. They're the ones who see the problems first, and they often have the best ideas for fixing them. Their insights are invaluable. So ditch the spreadsheets and the fancy presentations. Those can only tell you so much. Get out there and get your boots dirty. Experience the work environment firsthand. See for yourself what's working, what's not, and why. That's the Gemba way. It's about continuous improvement and real-time problem solving. So, what does a Gemba walk look like in a real factory? Let's dive into the details. Imagine this. You're walking the production line with a small team, keenly observing every detail. You're not there to criticize or point fingers. Instead, your role is to understand and empathize. You're there to observe, ask questions, and learn. It's about gaining insights from the ground up. You might watch how a machine is operated or how materials are moved from one station to the next. Every step is crucial. You ask questions like, what are the biggest challenges you face? What obstacles hinder your efficiency? Or, what ideas do you have for improvement? How can we make this process smoother and more effective?
Take notes, but more importantly, really listen to the answers. These aren't trick questions, they are genuine inquiries. You're trying to understand the process from the people who live it every day. Their insights are invaluable.
The goal isn't to solve every problem on the spot. It's about creating a culture of continuous improvement. It's about gathering information, building relationships, and showing the team that you value their input. This fosters trust and collaboration. Let's get specific. Imagine you're walking through a bottling plant. You notice a backlog of bottles at one station. Turns out the labels are jamming in the machine. That's a bottleneck.
Another example, you're in a furniture factory. You see a worker struggling to assemble a chair because the parts don't quite fit. That's a quality issue waiting to happen.
By being on the floor and seeing these problems firsthand, you can start to understand the root causes and find solutions. Sometimes the fix is simple. Other times it requires a deeper dive. But you won't know until you go see for yourself. Section 4. Gemba and TPM, a winning team. Now let's talk about Total Productive Maintenance, or TPM. This is a comprehensive approach that aims to achieve perfect production. It's all about keeping machines running smoothly and minimizing downtime. And guess what? When machines are well maintained, productivity soars and costs are reduced. Gemba walks are a key ingredient in making TPM work. These walks involve managers going to the actual place where work is done to observe and engage with employees.
Think about it. How can you prevent problems if you don't know they exist? By being present on the floor, managers can see firsthand the challenges workers face. By regularly walking the floor, you can spot early warning signs of wear and tear, identify potential hazards, and address small issues before they become big headaches. This proactive approach ensures that minor issues are resolved quickly.
Gemba walks also help create a culture of ownership. When employees see that their input is valued, they feel more responsible for the success of the production process. When workers see that management is invested in understanding their challenges, they're more likely to take pride in their work and contribute to solutions. This collaboration fosters a sense of unity and shared purpose, making the team stronger and more efficient.
Section 5. Leading the way, Gemba leadership. Gemba walks aren't just about walking and looking, they're about leadership. As a leader, you set the tone.
You need to be approachable, curious, and genuinely interested in what your team has to say. Don't just listen to the managers, talk to the operators, the maintenance crew, the cleaning staff. Everyone has a unique perspective to offer.
Ask open-ended questions, listen actively, and take good notes. And here's the most important part. Follow up. Let the team know what you learned, what actions you're taking, and how their input is making a difference. That's how you build trust and create lasting change.
Section 6. Keep on walking, continuous improvement. Gemba walks aren't a one-time event. They're a way of life. Make them a regular part of your routine, and encourage everyone in the organization to do the same. The more you walk, the more you'll see. You'll start to notice patterns, identify areas for improvement, and develop a deeper understanding of how your factory really works. Remember, continuous improvement is a journey, not a destination. And the Gemba walk is the perfect vehicle to get you there. Section 7. Gemba, your first step to success. So there you have it. The Gemba walk, a simple but powerful tool that can transform your factory. It's about getting out of the office, engaging with your team, and seeing the truth with your own eyes. It's not about being the smartest person in the room. It's about being the most curious, the most observant, and the most committed to making things better. So what are you waiting for? Lace up your boots, grab a notebook, and get out there and walk the Gemba. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on boosting your factory's performance.